In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use text-to-speech in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, open an existing project or create a new one in CapCut. I'll start by selecting Create New Project and then add a video. The next step involves adding text. If your video is currently selected, click the back button in the bottom left corner to deselect it. Then, select the text option and click Add Text. Here, type in the text you wish your video to speak. I'll input, "Please consider subscribing to our channel" for demonstration. Below, you'll find various customization options like text presets and style effects. For this guide, I'll keep it simple. After adding the text, ensure it's selected in your timeline. With the text highlighted, look for the text-to-speech option at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to access different voice options. While some voices are part of the Pro version, there are free options available too. Clicking on a voice option will play a preview. For instance, selecting one voice option, it says,
"Please consider subscribing to our channel."
Ho, ho, ho!
allowing you to hear how it sounds. If satisfied, click the tick button in the top right to generate the speech. When you play back the video, you'll hear the text-to-speech output. You can also see the added audio in the timeline when you click the back button in the bottom left. This feature allows for both short and extended text inputs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video,